Hello and welcome to a new video of our series, and in one of the last videos of our widget series we are going to show you how to use our new set value widget. So let's go. So we are inside of our bus tracker workspace, and what we want to do using the set value widget is we want to assign drivers to our buses, and we want to do that using the dashboards because we don't want the management, for example, of this application to have access to the devices configuration. We just want them to have access to the dashboards. So now we're going to select one of the buses that we have on our list. And as you can see, we already made some space for the new widgets in here. As you can see, we have some values already here. We have the route of the bus. And if we go to configuration and we scroll down, we will see the list of fields already existing on this device. We have some location, we have kilometers, engine temperature, and so on. And we are now going to add a new field, which is going to be a string. Strings store text values. And the string is going to be called driver, and it's not having any units. Let's not assign it any role. We are going to add the field, and as you can see, it's empty in here. We are going to use the product definition. So all of the devices that are inside of this product are going to have the field driver now, and that's super useful to manage fleets of a lot of devices. And as you can see now, I clicked on another device, and we can see that that already has assigned a driver. So we are going to go back to our first bus, and we are going to add a value widget to begin with. And this value widget is going to display the driver. So we are going to go to data, and we are going to select the driver. As you can see, the title already changed automatically based on the field's name. No unit again. And it appears that it is a numeric value. Value widgets are displaying floats, they are displaying integers, and they are also displaying strings. So it's going to be useful, and it's not going to show any numbers in there whenever it has a value. So we are going to add it to our dashboard now. And the next thing that we are going to do is add a set value widget. You have to scroll down. It's the last widget added to our catalog. And we are going to say set driver is the title. And now you're going to see that that's going to appear on the button. And when you hover over it, you can see that that's actually a button. And we are going to select driver. And just click on save. This widget also has the ability to change appearance, to set up a tint color, for example, a highlight color, and also you can hide the background. So you can decide how you want it to look like. We are just going to leave it as is and click on save. And now we are going to put it on the right place and save our configuration. So now we are going to test it and see how this new widget works. So we're going to click on it, and now we have a pop-up that allows us to manually input via our keyboard the name of a driver. So for example, we are going to say that this is driven by Albert Einstein, and we are going to set the driver's name. And as you can see now, it appears inside of the value widget, and we can always change the value using this set value widget. So for example, if today Albert Einstein is driving this bus, we leave it like that, and tomorrow it might change. So maybe tomorrow Maria Müller is driving the bus, for example. So and as you can see, it automatically changes and it displays the actual value inside of the dashboard. So this is our new value widget. I hope that this video was useful. It's a very simple widget, very easy to use and very powerful and useful. Now you can enable your own customers to have access to some fields, some configurations, without actually giving them access to the whole configuration. And yeah, I hope that this video was useful. I hope it was informative. Please let us know in the comments if you have any questions about it, if you want to give us any suggestions. We are always very happy to hear you. And stay tuned for the next one.